Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer and welcome to a pretty cool unboxing video. This is my new office setup. If you guys haven't seen on my Instagram, if you don't know, I'm in love with ancient Egypt. I don't know why. I've just always been fascinated with ancient Egypt. I love this piece. I got this pyramid the other day. Little gun models. Amethyst is my favorite crystal. But yeah, so today we have a pretty cool unboxing, and I'll explain why. This is honestly the best silver deal on the entire internet, and I can guarantee that just from how much money you can make off this deal. Now, every time I talk about this deal on my channel, the listing gets sold out instantly. Now, and rightfully so. Now, if you guys don't know, Chinese pandas are a very collectible coin, right? Very collectible coin. The design changes every year. Pretty low mintage numbers, around 8 million minted per year. And they charge a hefty premium for that reason. So, what JM Bullion does is they offer these random year panda listings. So you can buy like 10 of them and you'll get a whole bunch of different years, right? Well, JM Bullion offers a 30-gram random year listing and a 1-ounce random year listing. And the difference between that is they stopped making 1-ounce pandas in 2015. So for the 1-ounce random year listing, you're guaranteed to get all your coins at least 2015 or older. And 2015 pandas dating back that far already are starting to grow a collectible value. So, knowing that, the listing price for each one of these is around, what did they charge? Something only like $1 more than, or not even, more than the normal pandas nowadays. So, you're guaranteed to make your money back, even if you get all 2015s, but last time I got this package, last time I got this unboxing, let me take out this. Last time I got this unboxing, they gave me dates as far as back as like 2008, 2010. I got a lot of 2010s. So I made a lot of money. I think I doubled my money. APMEX, I also, if you guys don't remember that unboxing video I did about a month ago, APMEX had the same listing, the 1-ounce, but I got an entire tube of 2015s, because I got 20 ounces, and they just gave me an entire tube of 2015 pandas, which is cool, but 2015 is the latest year. So I'm hoping that in this unboxing, JM Bullion comes through and gives me some of the older dates like they did last time. I will not be ordering this off APMEX anymore, this listing. I'll only go through JM Bullion, but holy crap, that's a lot of silver, my friend. That's a lot of silver. If you guys don't know, I ordered 40 ounces, 40 ounces of the 1-ounce random year pandas. And I'm sure after you guys see this video, it's going to be sold out again because you guys buy these up like hotcakes, and rightfully so. I mean, this is literally the best deal on the internet. So let's see. And if you guys don't know, holy crap. If you guys don't know, I'm doing a 39,000 subscriber giveaway. The entry video is still open. I'll probably be announcing the winner tonight or tomorrow, and then we're on the path to the 40,000 subscriber silver giveaway, where I'll be giving away over $1,000 worth of silver, and maybe some of the coins will be some of the coins from that giveaway will be these. So anyways, let's check this out. It looks like there's a lot of 2015s. Honestly, I think they gave me, just looking from the outside, they might have gave me 40 ounces of just 2015 pandas, which I wouldn't care, because that's still a great deal. Look at this bag. Can we just talk about this for a second? Look at this. It's just a huge, there's like a, oh my god. Sorry if I just killed your eardrums. But anyways, so it looks like 2015, 2015s, 2015 pandas are very, very recognizable. I always notice because it has that white, you know, strip on the bottom. But yeah, so 2015, 2015s. Let's keep going through here. Here, I'll put them over here in frame. 2015. This is interesting because last time they gave me some 2008s. I think they even gave me a 2005. It was crazy. So yeah, these are all 2015s, it looks like. But like I said, I'm not mad. I would have still paid the same price, if not probably more. Or no, I'd probably pay the same price for, you know, 40 ounces or 2 tubes of 2015 pandas. Because I'm definitely getting my money back plus some. So yeah, I just want to scroll through these and see if they do have any, hold on, let me adjust the camera real quick. Here we go. If there's any other dates in here, 2015, take this off. Oh, I guess I could go get my tubes as well and show you how capsule tubes work. I might do that. They're tucked away. I don't want to have to get up and go get them. So these are all 2015. What if they just randomly threw in like a 1999 or something? 2015, 2015. So yeah, what they did, it looks like, is they just busted out 2 tubes of 2015s and just sent me 2 tubes of those. So I'm actually going to do that real quick. If you guys could hang tight and just admire all this silver, I'll be right back. And I'm talking about I'll be gone for not even 5 seconds. Not even 5 seconds, so just admire this real quick. Okay, I'm back. So, what we're gonna do is, I have capsule tubes, right? And capsule tubes they come in different shapes and sizes. Well, different sizes, I guess. Now, you have to know what you're doing when you buy capsule tubes. And I also have a whole bunch of capsules as well. I'm not gonna show these and stuff, but I have a whole box in here. If you guys, you know, it's from On Fire Guy. I always get my capsules, or my capsule tubes and capsules, from On Fire Guy. And capsules are basically just what these pandas are in. I like these a lot better than coin flips. I think I even have a coin flip. Yeah, I like capsules better than these because it's an airtight. It's an airtight. The air's tight in there, right? So humidity and all that stuff is not affected by it. So capsule tubes, they come in different sizes because pandas are, the diameter isn't as wide as American eagles. Maple leafs aren't the same diameter as American eagles. All different types of coins have different widths, so capsules fit in different capsule tubes. Now you can see this fits in very snug. If I was going to try to put one of these pandas in this, this is way too big of a tube. If I was going to try to put it in this, still, see how there's all that wiggle room? So these are, I think this is the I model. There's different models. They'll tell you on there, like the one is, there's an H. I'm pretty sure this is an H. Then there's the I. I think this is an X or something along those lines. But if you need to figure out what coins you're going to be putting in, that you need, your coins for, they'll tell you. Even on AppMex, if you go to AppMex, when you go to buy pandas or something, on the side it'll say recommended capsule, and it'll give you the size. So you never, because when I first started, I actually bought a whole bunch of coins and I got the wrong size capsule, so I couldn't even put the coins in there. But anyways, this is what it's gonna look like. So you get a capsule tube, you just fill all your pandas up. I think it fits 20. Or I think 10. So, and that's that. And then you put the top on. And then you have that. Right? It's pretty self-explanatory. It's perfect because it saves a lot of room in your safe. Imagine if I would have just had this bag and just put it in my safe. It takes up so much space, but look at this. Imagine just these, but, you know, just 2 or 3 of these. I would be chilling, and it looks very nice. And then you can even put a label on the top and write pandas. So I always use these for convenience. It looks nice, it's more organized, and it's just a cool way to do it, right? I definitely recommend that if you are someone who likes organization, or if you do have a lot of the different or the same type of silver. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up. If you thought this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. I post daily videos. Also, if you want a chance to win some free silver, go enter my 39,000 subscriber silver giveaway. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Shout out to y'all. Go enter my giveaway. Stay tuned for more videos coming today. Let me know if you guys like this unboxing. I also have a playlist of other unboxings if you want to check those out as well. This is Silver Slayer. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.